Okay, a school has 100 students. 60 play football and 35 play basketball. If 25 students play neither football or basketball, how many students play both football and basketball? So this is a great question and it's more exams like. Okay, so let's look at how we can approach this question. This is how our Venn diagram will look like, and here let's go into details. You have our universal set being equal to 100 because there are 100 students. Then 60 play football, so F for football, so there is a circle for F. And then 35 play basketball, so there is basketball, everything here. These people play basketball. Then 25 students play neither football or basketball, so our guys here play neither of these two, so they're out of the circles. Okay, now we are asked how many students play both football and basketball. Let's get into it. To solve these kind of questions, the approach is first tackle one circle at a time. So you can take this circle, then you can take this circle, then you can consider the whole universal set. By the time we are done with the third part, that is, by the time we would have taken the first and then second and then third one, we would have found the parameters needed. So let's get into it. We have our U being equal to 100. Then we're given that the people who play football are 60. So all of these parts, so F plus B should be equal to 60, and that is what we have here. Again, the people who play basketball is equal to 35, and these people play basketball, so B plus C2 will be equal to 35. And this is what we have. Our W were given to us to be 25. They play neither of it. Okay, then let's consider the entire set. We're given W to be 25, so F plus B plus C will then be 75. That is the people who play football, the people who play both, and the people who play basketball only. So football only, the people who play both football and basketball, and the people who play basketball only should add up to 75, considering that we are subtracting 25 from 100. So these people in the circle would equate to 75. So we have F plus B plus C being equal to 75. But look here, in our second equation, we found that B plus C is equal to 35. And we have B plus C here. So what do? We can, in place of B plus C, replace it with the value 35. So F plus B plus C would now be F plus 35 being equal to 75. If F plus 35 will be 75, then we can find the value for F by subtracting 35 from both sides, such that this will cancel that, and we have F being equal to 40. With that in mind, we can go on and then solve for the rest. We see that from equation 1, F plus B was 60, right? Now we have the value for F to be 40, which means that B plus 40 will be equal to 60. So we subtract 40 from both sides to get rid of the 40. So B plus 40 minus 40 is equal to 60 minus 40. So B is equal to 20. Now we have our value for B as well. This is what we are looking for. We are asked to find the people who play both football and basketball, and that is what we represented as B. So we can actually say we are done with the question. 20 people play both football and basketball. But we can move on to find C from equation 2. That is from this point. We found that B plus C is equal to 35. And thankfully we have the value for B to be 20. So 20 plus C is equal to 35, meaning our C will be 35 minus 20, which is 15. This is pretty how to go about it. So make sure you take your time, go through, and then watch again if the need be. And then make sure you watch out for the next question, as it will also help us understand the other problems related to Venn diagram or two sets Venn diagram.